Hey y'all, it's Quijuandas. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're new, please consider subscribing and tap the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. In today's video, I'll be doing my full wash day routine using Donna'S recipe. I'm a little late to the party, but not as late as I normally am, so yay me. I picked up 4 out of the maybe 7 or 8 products she has available from my local Ulta. I have the Sweet Potato Pie Extra Creamy Moisturizing Shampoo, the Extra Creamy Moisturizing Conditioner, the Extra Creamy Leave-In Conditioner, and the Extra Creamy Hair Cream. It's about to be an extra creamy day, so if you're interested in seeing how the products work for me and hearing my thoughts, then keep on watching. Alright y'all, let's get this wash day and product review started. I'm starting with the shampoo, of course. I'm going in with the Sweet Potato Pie Extra Creamy Moisturizing Shampoo. The benefits listed on the website are as follows. This product claims to promote hair growth and thickening, remove product buildup, hydrate and moisturize the hair, and to stimulate blood circulation. I can't speak to the hair growth, thickening, and blood circulation after one use, but this shampoo is very moisturizing and it did remove the product buildup from my hair and scalp. I've mentioned a few times that I'm not fussy when it comes to shampoo, but these dry winter days make me appreciate a shampoo that cleanses without causing my hair to feel stripped afterwards. Next up, it's time to condition. I'm using the Extra Creamy Moisturizing Conditioner. This product claims to replenish moisture, control frizz, promote shine, and add nutrients to the hair and scalp. Normally, I would skip conditioning and go straight into deep conditioning after shampooing, but hey, this is a product review. Luckily, the conditioner left my hair feeling moisturized to the point where I didn't feel the need to deep condition afterwards. This conditioner does contain protein, so that is something to consider if you're protein sensitive and to avoid protein overload from using the product too often. I did add a plastic cap and allow the product to sit, but I do that regardless of whether I'm regular conditioning or deep conditioning. Now I'm going to get into moisturizing, and I'll be using the extra creamy leave-in conditioner. This product is step 1 in the Donna'S Recipe LOC system. I didn't purchase the full LOC system because I don't need a hair oil. I have oils that I still need to use up. In this video, I'm using the one from African Pride. But back to this leave-in. This product claims to protect the hair from the sun, environmental damage, heat damage, and pollution, to rehydrate the hair in between washes, and to add an extra moisture boost. As far as my thoughts, the leave-in conditioner is very moisturizing and lightweight. It added quite a bit of shine, and it didn't leave my hair feeling greasy or weighed down. To style my hair, I'll be using the extra creamy hair cream. This is step 3 in the Donna'S Recipe LOC system. This product claims to provide superior moisture penetration and soft touchable definition to your curls. I can attest to both of those claims. Of all the products I've tried in the collection, this one is my favorite. The hair cream is thick yet lightweight, and it left my curls very shiny, moisturized, and defined. And a full, more detailed video will be uploaded soon on how I achieved this twist out. So this concludes my full wash day routine and review of the Donna'S Recipe Sweet Potato Pie collection. I really enjoyed the collection and how moisturizing the products left my hair feeling overall. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all your people. And until next time, I'll talk to y'all later.